don't think we'll see any bear from this track. No. So better hope so.
What?
They better hope so.
If they don't want to mess to you. The mountain, agile like a mountain goat.
Poppy would be proud. Go ahead up a little bit. I'll take your picture up there. It's a good spot, good photo op.
Actually, it might be fine. Because I had the strap adjusted. And it's working. I'll do it.
Nice catch. Who says you guys aren't doing off ice this week?
Yeah, exactly.
This is like some Blair Witch Joan up here.
We find a cabin in the woods, I'm out.
Little hanging voodoo dolls made of sticks.
That's illegal. That's nasty.
Wait, well.
You said that wasn't hard. That was a hard part. Who is he talking about? Not fault.
right, picture time.
Yeah,
What?
Great. Good job. Nice. This is a spot for pond hockey. Could you imagine? Playing pond hockey here
Hiking up here with all the equipment.
with all the snow everywhere. That'd be crazy.
Yeah, man. Almost made it to the clouds, bro.
We got a little more to go up. Good view.
Yeah, we're gonna go up there.
I bet that's the North Trail over there. Yeah, you probably have to go all the way around.
I think this is a trout pond. They said it's one of the biggest trout ponds around.
Oh, my shoes are not water resistant. I stepped in that little creek and I already feel my shoe.
I bet this water's drinkable.
It's clear.
Dude.
Yeah, it looks fresh.
I'm gonna sit and chill for a few.
We gotta go up to one side.
And I just proceeded to, you know,
Get away from the pond. I'm soft in my crack.
Oh my god, Trey. Oh, it is a salamander. Check. Did you get him?
Mhm.
Look at him.
Wow.
Sir Bonds. Sorry, buddy. Nice grab. He's pretty quick.
He's quick.
slippery little guy.
They're everywhere up here.
Alright, big guy.
Might be time to reapply the bug spray. I think I sweated it off. Man, it's a long haul back. They're apparently a lot faster in the water. Cause they were quick in the water.
Alright. I think so. I thought it died. Should I help him out?
There he goes.
Yes, the tail.
Well, his legs are so little, but his tail is like super.
You got the steps, Trey? That's an extra flight, Dad.
Huh?
I said that's an extra flight.
Yeah, right.
Does this lead to the Madonna Trail?
I don't know.
Well, find out. The other way went the opposite direction.
I know it did. There was a trail called the Long Trail, and it was marked as one of the easier ones, I think. And it went like right across the top of. I think it was like the cutover from Madonna. I don't know.
There's ponds over there.
There was a sign back there that said the Long Trail. Oh wait.
It said the camp burned, though. Like,
Yeah, the other way. You're right.
Yeah, I think that's.
Here's some animal tracks.
Could have been dogs.
Yeah, it could have been.
Could have brought Vader.
Yeah. I don't think Vader made this one. His little stumpy legs.
And Dottie Mass.
Maybe
Yeah.
we could walk down this.
Heck yeah.
Top of the notch. Wow. That's absolutely gorgeous.
I think there's a better view up there.
Yeah, let's go up to the...
That's beautiful. Just thinking about hiking some views. Like,
Especially around here.
that's breathtaking. Okay. It's like coming back to like ruins and it's just like all different. Right? Oh my lord. Now that's definitely a
Look!
Yeah, it's a reservoir.
that's a view. We take bootlegger. Rather not.
That's pretty sweet down there, man. Oh, it's
Oh.
butterfly.
Only the school can like just. Hey, screw it, we're just gonna hike down to Sterling. You know, like the wild side though, not like the side that's like super fires and stuff.
We got
like that.
lost.
What?
We got lost.
We chose to get lost. That's the
I'm
real
not lost. I know exactly where I'm going.
That is- wow.
Mmm. It's just puns.
Hey, at least it's more grass, so if we end up falling, we're firm. Be fine as much.
We're such. Oh, let's head down Sterling. It's called the Wine Lake.
We should probably get to like the edge of there and survey it, because if it's gonna be like this the whole way down, we should probably go back and go down like the lift line, John, or something. This looks pretty thick. Go down there and take a look and tell me what you think. No? Okay. It was starting to get thicker and thicker here.
Yeah, it's like this all the way down.
Yeah. Alright. Plan B. Turn around.
Oh, there's a tiny white butterfly.
Okay. Into the thick of it.
We have footage of
Into
the actual
the
trail. We have footage of our wild adventures. Oh.
This is called a mountain full of poison ivy. And us making our own trail, which was a really terrible idea.
Do you think in the Revolutionary War, the Americans were complaining when they people were there? No.
They probably were if they got poison ivy. It'd be a little itchy.
Ah, what is it, huh?
Be a little itchy in those heavy coats and stuff.
Ah, fine. They did it for America and so am I.
Trey, you are a red-blooded American.
There's at least 5 snakes right there. I can already feel it.
Not.
That was the original trail that we...
Once we get to the base, it's easy.
Yeah, dude, then it's just... Then we walk across the connector there.
Yeah, and you clear it off.
We just have to get to the base. It's And we're like probably a third of the way down. So. Hey, worth it. Look at this. We're experiencing things about this place that nobody else ever got to experience. Because we decided to. Because we made our own trail, damn it.
I'll keep this rock to remember.
Put it in my backpack there.
We're keeping that rock to remember our experience.
Give it to the turtles.
Where we made our own trail.
So this is what I'm terrified of. I'm like worried that, Jesus, there's bugs everywhere. Like all this red shiny leaves, I'm worried that they're all poison. Because I went through like all of it. And if I get within 6 feet of it, I catch it, so. Let's just hope.
Can't be worse than what, huh? Actually.
I'm not going to say that.
Yeah.
I had it for like 7 weeks last summer. That was bones.
Well, that's a snake.
What?
That was a black snake.
Where?
I just went to that like fern. I just saw like the grass move out. That's a snake.
There's a black one.
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep going.
It was a little bigger.
There's a
than
lot of snakes on
the
this
last
mountain.
one I saw.
Well, I'm not surprised.
All these little holes and stuff for them to burrow into. And
This isn't human territory. No. Christ.
Not mildly afraid.
Alright, with the Lord, I can do anything.
We have Brandon on our side. He won't
It's a little easier.
it's definitely better.
he won't let us get hurt.
As long as it's not the thick of it.
Like, think of it. Well, it's too late now. I'm not going back up.
Yeah, there's no way. I mean,
Yeah,
thinking about going back up.
definitely committed.
Am I like the official snake spotter?
Apparently.
It's not a good thing about it.
Oh, look.
Good thing.
I won't say anything. I'll just start running.
It's a nice clear trail right there.
There's none the wrong way. I thought it...
We gotta go down. Down is good. Up is bad.
Yeah, but I thought we were going that way.
Now we're going down. Down and across. That's actually the right direction. We're only like 3 miles from Smugs. So, good.
I'm running.
Picture time.